Drawing tablets, also known as graphics tablets or art tablets, aren't just for digital creatives like graphic designers, artists, and photo editors. They're useful for gamers, office workers, and teachers, too. While varied in design, each drawing tablet serves the same purpose. Hello guys, in this video we're looking at the 5 best drawing tablets of 2024, and if you want more information we also put the links in the description box below. Thanks. Number 1. Apple iPad Pro. One of the most popular display drawing tablets isn't actually a drawing tablet per se. The Apple iPad has gained a positive reputation among creative professionals thanks to apps like Clip Studio Paint for iPad and Adobe Photoshop for iPad that let it compete with full-fat desktop applications at a fraction of the weight and size of an actual desktop or laptop. Brands like Wacom and Wacom offer tablet workstations, essentially display tablets with built-in PCs, but the iPad trounces each and every one of them for convenience and price. Dedicated all-in-one tablet workstations tend to be heavy, loud, and incredibly expensive, and most other mainstream drawing tablets need to be connected to a desktop computer or laptop. While an M2-powered iPad Pro model isn't exactly cheap, it could be cheaper than purchasing both a display tablet and a system to run it with. Some apps, like Procreate, an intuitive illustration software that provides artists with easy-to-use tools, and its upcoming Dreams animation app. Number 2. Wacom One HD Creative Pen. The Wacom One is one of the company's most affordable display tablets. The combination of its affordable price point and Wacom's reputation means that it's the tablet of choice for many high schools and colleges. If you or your child want to continue projects at home, it may be best to stick with a product that they're already familiar with. It can take some time to adjust to digital illustration tools if you've only experienced traditional media like pencils and ink before, so keeping your tools consistent can make things a little easier. The Wacom One doesn't have many frills, nor does it pretend to. What it lacks in features, it makes up for with Wacom's reliable build quality and frustration-free software. It features a textured Full HD 1080p display and comes with a stylus with one customizable side switch. Wacom has also made the One compatible with a host of third-party styluses if you want additional control over things like pen thickness, grip, and button placement for a more comfortable experience. Number 3. XP Pen Drawing Tablet. Okay, so perhaps you are ready to start mapping some of your commonly used tools to physical buttons. In that case, the 2nd Gen XP Pen Artist 12 is an endearing little display tablet that serves as a step up in utility from the stripped-back Wacom One, at the expense of some cursor jitters. The 2nd Gen XP Pen Artist 12 display tablet comes with the X3 Elite Stylus, which provides 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, a figure that's effectively now the standard for drawing tablets, and 60 degrees of tilt recognition to replicate real brush strokes. There are also 2 programmable buttons on the side for switching between your current tool and the erase function of whatever software you're using. Essentially, all the stylus basics are covered here to help developing artists adjust to similar features on more expensive display tablets. They might not be the best quality tools, but they get the job done and allow you to better understand the differences between using a professional drawing tablet, which typically has a higher resolution, greater color accuracy, and customization, and something less powerful that's designed more for sketching or fan art. Number 4. Wacom Syntic Pro. If you want the best of the best, and you're willing to pay, then the Wacom Syntic Pro 27 is what you're looking for. Released last year, the Syntic Pro 27's large display is Pantone skin tone validated and can cover 99% of Adobe RGB and 98% of DCI P3 HDR. It can also be calibrated further for maximum color accuracy, bringing it closer to the performance of expensive reference monitors used by professional photo editors. It ships with the battery-free Pro Pen 3, the company's latest stylus, which provides customizable weights and various replaceable grips and nibs to personalize your drawing experience. There are grip handles built into the back of the device that help with maneuvering the heavy 15.6-pound display, each with 2 buttons that can be reprogrammed to various shortcuts based on what software you're using. The $500 mount is sold separately, but its weight means that a kickstand would likely be of little use anyway. If you don't want to shell out that much, the Syntic 27 Pro also supports standard VESA mounts, so you can attach it to a desk-mounted monitor arm. Number 5. Graphics Drawing Tablet. Again, Wacom is a beloved brand across schools and colleges due to the build quality and reliability of its products, and the One by Wacom is no exception. Not to be confused with the Wacom One Display tablet, the One by Wacom is a cheap and cheerful introductory drawing tablet for students and novices who can forego fancy features while they adapt to using a digital stylus. It's available in a few colors and comes with a grid of dots to help users understand how their stylus position correlates to the on-screen cursor. The stylus is slim and comfortable and comes with 2 programmable buttons. The dots on the tablet itself are also useful for rhythm games like OSU that require the player to tap in precise locations. The One by Wacom isn't exactly comfy given its lack of wrist rest and the hard plastic edge you need to lean against, but it's cute, reliable, and gives users a taste of that Wacom quality 4. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.